Question number 6. So here, typically, I have one triangle made of two right triangles. You have two ways of doing this. Directly connected to the unit, to what we've learned about right triangle trigonometry. I'm first going to isolate the first right triangle. So I've got pi over 3 right here and 82 right there. And I'm going to figure out this side, which corresponds to this one. Let me call that A. And here I would have the uh, tangent of pi over 3, which is 60 degrees, which will be equal to the opposite, 82, divided by A, which means that A would be 82 divided by the tangent of pi over 3. I grab my calculator and I make sure that the mode is in radian, which is the case here. 82 divided by tangent of pi over 3 is 47.34 to the nearest hundredth. And then I'm going to isolate the second right triangle. I've got 82 for that leg, and pi over 6, which is 30 degrees. So here, I am going to isolate to calculate this side here, and I'm going to call it B. So I would have the tangent of pi over 6 will be equal to the opposite divided by the adjacent B. Therefore, B will be equal to 82 divided by tangent of pi over 6. And therefore, I will have 82 divided by tangent of pi over 6. I will have 142.03 to the nearest hundredth. And I will have x equals a plus b, which will be 47.34 plus 142.03, and I will have 189.37. Another way to solve that is to remember your geometry, that pi over 3 is 60, and therefore I've got 30 here. So I've got this special right triangle. And same thing here. This is 30, and therefore this would be 60. So I can directly conclude that A would be 82 over square root of 3, and that B will be 82 times square root of 3. So I will have x equals 82 over square root of 3 plus 82 times square root of 3. And you will get exactly the same result. 82 over square root of 3 plus 82 times square root of 3. Oops, let me redo it. 82 divided by square root of 3. I leave the square root, then plus 82 times square root of 3. And I've got the same result right there. Question 6b. Here I don't have much the choice. I will have to first calculate this one here. Let's call it A. And then I will have to calculate this whole side right there. Let me call it B. In that case, x will be equal to B minus A. So let me isolate the first right triangle. I've got 115 and an angle of 50 degrees. And this is A. So I will have the tangent of 50 will be equal to 115 divided by A. Therefore, A equals 115 divided by the tangent of 50, which would be to the nearest hundredth. This will be a wrong answer. Why? Because here angles are given to me in degrees. So I'm going to go to the mode. I'm going to select degree. And once I'm in degree mode, I will have the right answer, 96.5. I'm going to do the same thing for the big right triangle. So I've got 35 degrees here, 115, and this time I want to calculate B. So I will have the same process. Let me skip some step here. And B will be equal to 115 divided by tangent of 35 degrees. And I will have 164.24. And X will be equal to B minus A. And in that case, 164.24 minus 96.50, and I will have 67.74. And here you have it. Good luck.